Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove and reinstall the wiper blades on this 2001 Ford Focus. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Start by lifting up on the wiper arm, and then we're going to swivel the blade out. There's a little lever right here. You can pull up on it. Sometimes you push down on them, but this one you happen to pull up. Releases it, and you don't actually even need a screwdriver for this. And then we'll slide this out just like that. And to reinstall, we're just gonna get this lined up like this and lock it in place. And you're good. The passenger side would be the same procedure as the driver's.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.